Trippy Weird Facts presents the bizarre phenomenon of ball lightning. Imagine a glowing orb of electricity floating through the air, often during thunderstorms. That's ball lightning, a mysterious and rare atmospheric phenomenon. Witnesses describe it as a floating sphere of light, varying in size from a golf ball to a beach ball that can last from a few seconds to several minutes. It can pass through walls and windows without causing damage, and scientists believe it could be the result of specific electrical conditions in the atmosphere. Despite many theories, the true nature of ball lightning remains a puzzle. Like, share, and subscribe for more trippy facts.